everyone, this is Byron and Carrie, and we're here at 39638 Midland Trail in Rainelle, West Virginia, and we're going to show you around this 3-bedroom, 1-bath home on over 2 acres. So I will take it from Byron, give you a scan of the neighborhood. So this is Midland Trail right here, right in front of you, and then there's this nice new gravel drive there that you can fit several cars. Sorry to go backwards on you, but right beyond the car there, that terrace, all the way up those terraces, that's part of the 2 acres, and this outbuilding conveys as well. There's a nice new stone path. This home has been fully renovated. It has board and batten vinyl siding here. Nice stone walkway, and I'm gonna actually walk around this way before we go inside so you can see the additional acreage. So all of these trees that you see here are part of the acreage all the way back into the woodlands there. And as you can see, it is 3 stories. The front of it's quite deceiving, isn't it? There's a basement, main level, and then an upper level. So we'll head on in. And this home has tons of show-stopping features, one of which you see right as you open the door. This custom steel work here, the tree. I'm gonna head around this way. So right when you open, you can go into the living room or dining room. This is the dining room and kitchen of the home. It has beautiful floor here that has been restained and polyed, and then they have, where the former walls removed, they added this beautiful detail here. You have a nice bar area with the footrest. I'll give you a scan of the kitchen here. Industrial modern vibe. It is poured concrete countertops and the decorative backsplash. It's in a dark brownish color. And then you have the stove range top, open shelving here. This farmhouse sink that's in black, which you don't get to see all that often. Inside it has the large single basin.
Should we go out?
Yeah, we'll go out. Talk about the kitchen more when we come back in. So this is the outside deck, more of the yard. So you can see here, nice large deck. There's the dining table, and there's ample room for more seating as well. You can see how it is the terraced acreage, as we've discussed in other listings if you saw the listing description. And then the nice thing is the parking is right here, so you can just walk right in and into your kitchen with your groceries.
Yep, and great feature here as well to me is these trees. There's a lot of big trees here, so you get a lot of shade if you're out back. It doesn't get over hot.
Yes. Hear the birds chirping. So moving back into the kitchen, all of these are custom cabinets. And the appliances are new. So Byron, would you do the honors and opening the oven there and the fridge so you can see tags still on, everything is still on, and then the refrigerator, it is the same. So you are getting newly renovated and new appliances as well. I absolutely love this kitchen. I love how it flows to the dining room.
I love the, you talked about the vent already?
No, I have not.
I love this vent. It adds a cool element to the kitchen here.
Yes, and then, I mean, all the craftsmanship of this home is just spectacular. How the concrete perfectly goes into the sink there. Thought out craftsmanship. The trim on all the windows. And then you can see there the dishwasher. Everything is new. And then if you can open the corner cabinet there,
Yep.
you can just see like the maximized.
Wow, that's beautiful.
Maximized all the spaces. Okay, so we will head over this direction. We'll check out, first we'll check out the pantry since we just saw the kitchen, and then we'll swing around to the bathroom. So this is a full walk-in pantry, storage, shelving. You can add as you need for your particular needs, but it has the beadboard up the wall and then this really cool modern floral wallpaper. It's nice and large, so you can walk in here, and then there's the kitchen right there. We're gonna head into the bathroom now. So another standout feature is this bathroom. It has marble look tile floors, a custom vanity with a custom wood top that's been polyed so it's water safe. And then the spa-like fountain sink. Beautiful fixture there. This is in a blue tone. And then there is stand-up walk-in shower with the modern industrial features, very classic, timely look. You have the high-end feature of that nook for your toiletries, nice and spacious. And then one really nice feature about this bathroom is that it has radiant heating flooring. So nice, warm on your toes. It's right there. It is electric, radiant heating flooring. So the first bedroom is on the lower main level here. So we will scan the room. It has this nice large window that overlooks the side yard here. And then it has the closet. The closet is right through that door there. Beautiful hardwood floors, nice tall ceilings, the trim detail on all the doors and windows. This home does have a new PTAC system for heating and cooling. That door goes to the basement. If you're wondering what that is, we'll do that last. And then here we are. Straight ahead is the main entrance, the front door. So this is the lower level living room.
Yes, this is where I would spend most of my winter days. I just love this.
Yes.
I hope to have one at my house one day.
Cool wood stove, and it has the slate look tile surround and then the poured concrete.
And another thing I just love about this house, it's very bright.
Yes.
There's windows all over.
And they're large windows too. They're not just like the standard size windows that you would typically see in a home. So I'll spin around so you can see the room. Really
and
great size.
It's really great that they open this up with these walls, because it lets that light from the dining room area just flow right on in.
Yes.
Very open, spacious house.
It absolutely is. And the recessed lighting is a nice touch. So we're gonna go upstairs. It has these beautiful wood treads, and then this is all custom steel work here. That goes up and around. And you can see the craftsmanship, how they made it so it follows the curvature of the wall there. So right when you come up, there is a bonus living space up here. And it's open to the stairwell, as you can see on this side. I'll step back. So tons of uses. There's a closet right there. Whatever you need, if you're a home office, golly, it could be so many things. I could rattle them all off, but just very large open space here.
Yeah, I have a bunch of big couches, cushy couches. And it'd be my second TV room.
Second TV room.
Downstairs, one upstairs.
Yes, because this would be a perfect nook to put a TV in. It's out of the way and lots of space. And then there are
If I play video games, it'd be a Video game room.
Video game room. It has nice ceiling height up here as well. And then, so this is the second bedroom on the upper level. So likely put your bed on this wall here in the center and let the gable be the headboard. And then this is the closet area here. Space for a hanging rack. There's space behind the door for a dresser. And the ceiling height in the middle is nice and spacious as well. And then the third bedroom, this room is carpeted. It overlooks the backyard, and this is an addition that was put on to add this third bedroom. The carpet is brand new. Everything about the interior of this home besides the flooring is brand new.
Yeah, this would be, for me, a nice study room, office, because it's nice and tight. There's not many distractions.
Yes.
And I like the slanted ceiling.
Yes, and or if you had children, this is a good size for a children's room. Craft room, lots of different things. I love this right there. That's one of my favorite visions of this whole home. You can just see the craftsmanship in one shot everywhere.
I mean, this kind of makes the house, what, with the openness?
Yes.
Because you could have easily kept these walls. It was just...
Yeah, I'm gonna give you, I think this is reading, as I'm watching it, much darker than it is, but it is a beautiful accent. Okay, we are going to go down to the basement, which is unfinished. You could certainly finish it out if you needed or wanted to. So here is the lower level. They have added in several support walls when they were doing the renovations to make sure everything is nice and sturdy. It has poured concrete floors, and then this is where the laundry is. As you can see, yes, that is a functioning toilet there. So you can make this into a half bath if you were to finish it out, and there's also a functional sink here. So, very easy if you drywall it in. The ceiling height is to the floor joist is right at about 7. Yes.
Yeah.
So this is the additional space. There's actually a decommissioned well right there. The home is on city water. This is just another storage space. And we'll go around to the other side so you can see the utilities. I don't know if I mentioned, but the whole house is concrete block. They put vinyl siding on for decorative. And this is the utility room, the breaker box, hot water heater. All the functional things.
It's very easy to get access to all the utilities down here, which is nice.
Yes. Want to go outside a little bit more? All right. We'll go on up and out. Let you go first, Simon. Thank you, sir. Beautiful spring day here in West Virginia. I want you to see some more of the yard and the nice gravel drive here. So if you were to walk all the way up to those 3 levels up, that's all part of the property as well. And then it stands back this way. And as you can see, the nice pathway to the kitchen there. There you have it, 39638 Midland Trail here in Rainelle, West Virginia. If you'd like it to be yours, give us a call. Thanks.
Take care.